Hello, my friends. I'm so glad to share you again this video about the rain quail. It was so hard for me at the time. As you can see that it was like the first cloudy, and after that it got rain and hard rain. But I almost, gave up, but I still managed to stay until I got this. Actually, this rain quail was last time recorded just several in Cambodia, and recently some of our photography friends, they have found a new location, so I decided to come here and try to get this picture. So enjoy the rain quail in the rain.